So at Hartford Hardware, we're a unique store. We try to have unique products and good customer service. So when you're walking into the front of our store, you see the Idea House. And we wanted to make sure that was a good reflection on our store, on our image as you walked in. So we really wanted to choose the right products that were good, that gave our customers ideas, but also really wowed them as they walked through that front door. So board and batten is it's basically a sheet on the exterior of the wall with slim batten strips going vertical. That's a big trend we're seeing. A lot of people like that on the front of their house, not necessarily the whole house, but as kind of accents certain walls. So that's what we did. The product we used, it's a sustainable product. It's newer. It's actually made out of rice hull and PVC. So it cuts and mills like real wood, and it stains like real wood. So it's pretty unique. We painted it black, but it could also be stained, which is pretty cool. So the gable vents were, I guess, custom design, and we actually took the product that's a rice hull PVC product that can be milled and stained like real wood, and we took it to our mill, and they cut it all up and made this really cool gable vent that's completely custom and got it pre-finished to match the siding. And that's pretty unique. We've never done anything like that, so it's kind of fun to do. Chose a stone for the front of the house. Originally, there was a brick that we kind of were trying to mimic a little bit, but brick's kind of, brick is brick. So there's a manufactured stone that we chose. It's an edge cut, so it gives clean lines like brick, but it still has the characteristics of real stone. So it's got, your edges are cut like stone, and then it gives a shadow line. So it kind of gives that clean line look, but it's still a stone, so it's pretty unique. And it's gonna be white, so it's really gonna pop against that black house. So my favorite feature would probably be the front exterior wall. Just the steel siding that we put on there. It's unique because it's steel. A lot of people like to put steel on the exterior because it's no maintenance, but it also looks like wood. It's got the grain pattern, cedar look. And planking, it's a plank look. So we're seeing planking on the exterior as kind of a trend. So to put that on the front of the house as a feature when customers walk in is pretty cool.